Wow. So your wife's giving birth at maternity and you can't be bothered to pay the parking. Oh, look what you're doing! Look what you're doing! Prick! And he's a taxi driver, RX63 AFA.
Because he's a prick.
Because he wants to stay on the M25 probably, and he thinks that that's the best thing he's going to do today, is reverse along a live motorway. Okay, I think we're going to an outlet shop rather than where we went last time.
That's alright. Might have something different. Hello, hello, hello.
Press the button. Fleeting.
At least we're at the front then.
Yep, this boat's going.
Absolute bell end. Oh, very. Just drive on the...
Okay, pavement's the third driving on now.
Yep.
And this bloke's now going the wrong side of keep left signs.
Yeah. Awesome. Don't let him go.
You're in the wrong lane for turning right.
And you're not supposed to turn right.
Yeah, not good. That's not a lane.
I'm still standing there all this time, picking up the pieces of my life without you on my mind.
I'm still standing.
I think you've got a cold because it's the streaming nose and stuff. Overtaking on a... Is that a crossing?
Pelican, but yeah.
You know what I mean. Completely gone through that line.
So we developed our exclusive Sleepo technology, finding you the right mattress across every one of our beds in store. And with up to 50% off selected beds and mattresses, and with a 5-year guarantee, your journey to sleep wellness starts today. Ends soon. At Benson,
agreed.
I'm a real snack monster. But
You
Mum
didn't
and
kill
Dad
that
said
scooter
that
rider.
watching isn't good for me.
It's a medical one as well, he needs it.